Welcome back, everyone. When Mother Nature decides to let Elsa take the reins and it's supposed to be nice out, we do a cocktail that she inspired. Today we're going to make the Alpine. We are going to start off with 1 full ounce of heavy whipping cream. 1 full ounce of white creme de cocoa. Make sure it's the white one or clear, whatever you want to call it. Then a full ounce of Green Chartreuse. Again, another liqueur that I feel like doesn't get used super often, but it goes very, very nicely in this cocktail. I don't know, I just became Italian or something. What was that?
That was French.
Oh, French. There we go. I was like, Italian, that's not it. All right, and then we're going to do a ½ ounce of your favorite brand of coffee liqueur. And then we're going to fill our shaker tin to the top with ice and shake until it's ice cold in our hand, or roughly 15 to 20 seconds. And then I've got this going in a Nick and Nora glass. This is going to be a little big for the cocktail that we have here, but it looks beautiful in this particular glass. All right, good news with this one. There is no fresh juice. You just need your Hawthorne strainer. You're going to go straight into our glass. All right. And then for our garnish, we are going to do just a light nutmeg dusting across the top. All right. And there she is, the Alpine. Ooh, you instantly smell like the herbaliness of the Green Chartreuse, like right out of the gate. Light hint of the cocoa. It's really interesting. You don't taste a ton of the Green Chartreuse. You actually smell more of it than you really taste. The Green Chartreuse kind of comes in on the back end. It's very, very creamy. I would definitely say after dinner type of cocktail. Definitely more of a dessert in my opinion. But again, it's also not insanely sweet. It's just a nice kind of aperitif. I don't know what that means. I'm just trying to be fancy.
I don't think that's the right word.
I don't know either. It's whatever it is. Anyway. All right. If you enjoy the cocktails, enjoy listening to me ramble in random accents and sometimes random languages, you just never know what you're going to get with me. Let's just be honest. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share the videos so that way other people can find out that I make some really good cocktails and I teach you how to make them too. And of course, ingredients are going to be listed down below. That way you can build the cocktail right along with me. Until the next pour, cheers.